Hello everyone, this is Aaryan Verma recording this session for Google AI Hackathon. So this is my project Codiverse. Let's get started. So on the home page, you can see there are two tabs, home and knowledge sharing. So on the home tab, there are two radio buttons, GitHub URL and upload file. So either you can directly copy paste your GitHub repo URL directly in this text box, or if you have a Python file readily available, you can directly upload here. So let's copy paste here one of my repos. So you can see all the branches are there. So there is only one branch here, main branch, and the Python file present in this branch is vision.py. So let's process this code. This will take a few seconds to few minutes depending on the size of the repo. Okay. So now code is being processed. So we can move on to the knowledge sharing tab. So here you can see there is a drop box containing four sections: imports, classes, functions, and statements. So let's jump onto this one by one. So in the imports section, there is the import statements that is written in my Python file. And then on the right side, explanation that is being generated by Google Gemini uh, model. If you don't like this explanation, you can always regenerate it using this button. Now, similarly, for the next section, that is classes. So I don't have any classes defined in my codes. Next is the functions. So there are various functions that are defined in my Python file. So this is the function that is called get Gemini response. You can see on the right side, the response is being generated. I mean the explanation. So if you don't like it, you can always regenerate it. Similarly, we will go on to the next function in my code. For the statements also, we will generate explanations. And once you have generated an explanation, you don't have to generate it again and again. And you can always refer to them by going on the previous. See, it is there only. You don't have to generate it again. Yeah. So once you have processed all the statements and functions and classes and import statements, so there's an option of chatting with the code also. So here you can see there's a button of chat. Just open it. Ask any query regarding the chat. I mean the code. For example, I have a function here, get Gemini response. So I would like to get more deep explanation about this. So I will write explain the function get Gemini response. Okay, so you can see, right? So this is the response it has generated. This is the, so you can easily get the understanding of okay what is function is doing. Similarly, you can ask any query here regarding to your code base. And lastly, we have a functionality of downloading PDF. What that PDF contains is the snippets of the code in your code base along with their explanations so that you can refer them later on. So that's pretty much all about the Codiverse. Thank you.